Obas, I'm Jack the Greek, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Today we have a fantastic seafood Christmas special. And as we know, Christmas is just around the corner. And what else better to celebrate Christmas with a beautiful seafood banquet? You're going to look around and say, oh my God, how many things do we have here? And things are still moving. Absolutely. We have our beautiful fresh lobster, and all our seafood is thanks to our friend Psaras from Preston Market in Melbourne. And thank you again to him for all his beautiful fresh seafood. Now, the thing is, what are we going to cook today? Well, on the CrossRay barbecue, we've got that warming up, and we're going to cook 3 different meals. We're going to make a nice prawn salad, we're going to make a seafood platter, and we're also going to make something a little special with some bread toasted, with some prawns, and a beautiful sauce made from the prawn heads themselves. And where do I start? I have no idea where to start first, but I think to help everyone, when they're watching this video, make a similar banquet, we're going to start from the start with the biggest fish first. And of course, we still have to clean and cut up our beautiful live lobster. There it is there. And thank you, our friends at Preston Market of Psaras again. Now, we've got our CrossRay barbecue on about 200 degrees. I'm now going to put it on low because it's now ready. And we don't want it more than about 300 degrees. So let's put away and put aside our prawns just here. And we'll move them over there for now. And there are our raw prawns there. Let me just show you how we're going to prepare our beautiful lobster. So you've got a live lobster, you've got him here, and of course you need to cut him up. The first thing we've got to do is make sure we kill him humanely. Grab yourself a good big knife, just like this. Put your lobster in a line, just like that. And just behind the head is where you need to put the knife, just like that, straight through. And that is the best way to kill your lobster. Beautiful, look at that. Done. That's it. Cut it and then break it all the way down, just like this. Turn it round, do a right-hander, and go the other way as well, all the way through. I've cut up a beautiful lobster, a fresh lobster, and it's ready now to put on the CrossRay barbecue. Now, the key thing here is how you're going to cook it, how you're going to prepare it. Many people do a mornay. I like to do it Jack the Greek style and keep it Greek and traditional with a bit of butter, rigani, and garlic. And that's what we're going to do with one of them. And with the other one, we're just going to leave it plain and put some fresh olive oil and oregano and lemon at the end. So come close with me. Here we are on the CrossRay barbecue. It's nice and hot now. And what we're going to do is put these beautiful lobsters straight up here. We're going to put them on the top, just like that. And here's the second one as well. And there we are. With the second one, I'm going to grab my little ingredient that I had underneath. Here we go. It's part butter, parsley, oregano, and garlic. And I didn't mention the word parsley earlier, but I've added a bit of parsley as well. So that will go in there, and I'm just going to paste it, just like this, on the actual lobster, and let that slowly cook and go through the entire beautiful lobster. And there it is there, just like that. There we go. Get a better look. And we'll put that straight on there. Now I'll put all the burners on low because I don't want to overcook our fish and not time it well. So that's the first thing we're going to do. The next thing is we have some Moreton Bay bugs. There we go, beautiful. So we're going to put them on as well. But similar, we're going to put them up here, just up here. A couple of them on their own, and a couple, of course, we're going to prepare with our beautiful butter, garlic, parsley, and oregano, just like this. Beautiful, just like that. And we'll put them up there as well. And one more I think there is in here hiding. And there it is. And this is the first part of our main seafood platter. Just there. We've now got to start thinking about how we're going to cook everything else. So we'll put that away. Now these prawns won't take long, but we've also got a crab and we've got an octopus in here as well. And there we have the octopus. So with the octopus, that's going to take a while, probably about 3 or 4 minutes on either side. So we'll just put that just there on the side, cooking away. We've also got a crab, so let's put that there as well. And let that keep going. We've got some beautiful fresh salmon as well, and we're going to cut that into 2. a little bit big, and we'll keep one for each of the 2 children. So here we are. We cut it like this, beautiful, all the way down. And we'll put this on us. Now we've got some calamari. And here we have here, and what I'm going to do is just score it like this. Just on top, on one side. And this is a tube. You can buy them like this again from your local fishmonger. And I'm just going to lift it like that. And I'm just going to put that in just there as well. And you're going to be asking, what are you doing with all these mangoes? Well, we're going to cook them on the CrossRay barbecue. And you'll see how beautiful it is when you're cooking our prawns on the barbecue with mangoes. So with the mango, what we'll do is, we don't have much room here, but hey, let's put them on our CrossRay barbecue. So what we're going to do now is have a quick look and see how things are going. They're all progressing well. And we're just going to throw these prawns, we'll put them on top because they're a bit small and they won't take too long. As you can see, Jack the Greek doesn't script his videos, we just start cooking. And that's the fun of cooking with Jack the Greek on the CrossRay barbecue outside. And there we are. We'll put them on just like this. There they are. We'll leave them there, move them around, and away we go. And we'll put that there. These ones here, we've got our scallops as well, which we're still preparing. Things are going well. Let's have a bit of a look. Come in close. Our calamari is still going. Our beautiful crab is ready, nearly about to turn. We can turn our octopus. And of course, up here, our bugs need some more time with our lobster as well. So opas. There we go. We're nearly getting there. We'll move that just over here, our calamari, and we'll come back. Because now we need to prepare our 2 mangoes. So we'll grab our mango and we'll just slice it just like this. That side, and of course on this side. And we'll cut this one as well. Oh, I think I need to sharpen my knife. There we go. And this one as well. There we go. So that's going to be our mango, and let's put that on the CrossRay barbecue, just like this. Beautiful green tiger prawns. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the heads off. Yep, we're going to cut the heads off these ones, because we're going to do something with them very special. And we have the cooked ones here as well. So we're going to cut the heads off them as well, just like this. And we'll put the cooked ones aside for now. But we're going to definitely do something with the raw prawns. So these prawns here, we'll put them back here in our plate. Our cooked prawns, but we need the heads. So what we're going to do with the heads is we're going to cook them up and we're going to make a little sauce. So let's put these ones now just in here. Beautiful. Just like that. And with the heads, like I said earlier, we're just going to cook them up. So we're going to put them in the pan, like this. We're going to get them ready, put them on the side with a little bit of olive oil once we start moving out the rest of our ingredients. So here we are, come in close and have a look at our mango. It's going beautifully. So we'll just move that over a little bit, just like that. Beautiful. And then we'll put our pan just here as well. And you're going to say, how many different bits of food can we put on the CrossRay barbecue? Well, we're going to fill it up. There's there's plenty of room, and we're going to keep cooking for as long as we can. You can see now my prawn heads are starting to fry up, and I've also got my spatula in my hand because we're doing 2 things at once. We're also preparing our beautiful prawn salad just here. So here we have it. We get one more. There it is, the last mango. Just from the back there. And we'll put it just here, just like this. There we have it. Beautiful. That's the same size. So there we have it. That's going to be our first one. And we had our beautiful peeled cooked prawns, just like this. And that's what we'll do. Just pile it in, just like this, on top. And you're going to say, Jack, well, what are we going to cover it with? Jack the Greek? What are we going to do? Well, we're going to cover it with a little bit of Jack the Greek special. It's my lemoni, lavi, and rigani and salt and pepper. Special marinade. And we're just going to cover it just like this. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's our first dish. And that's our prawn salad with mangoes. And yes, you put a bit of olive oil and the lemon, the tanginess, over your mango as well. Beautiful. There we go. And a little bit more. That's it. Beautiful. Come in close now and you'll see how we're progressing with our beautiful prawn sauce, and this is why I'm using the heads. So you can see they're cooking away. I'm now going to put in the butter. I'm going to put in some onion, some thyme, and there's the wind going to pick it up, and some onion. And I'm going to mix all that up like that. And I'm going to let that thicken up with the prawn heads, and then I'm going to remove the prawn heads. And this will become our beautiful sauce and our dipping sauce for our beautiful prawns in a couple of minutes. We'll move that in and there. Now while we're here, we are going to move now our lobsters to the bottom grill, just like this, because we're nearly ready. And we just want them just to crisp up a little bit, just like this. There we go. Beautiful. Opa, look at this. We'll leave one of the lobsters up there. This one can come down. Beautiful Moreton Bay bugs. And all these prawns that we've been cooking on the second layer, we're just going to spread them out, just like this, and just finish them off. Leave some room, of course, on the side here. Oh, we've got to leave some room here because we've got our scallops. And here we go. Here are our scallops, just here. Let's just put that away for now, just there. We've got our beautiful butter, garlic, again sauce for our scallops. And we're just going to put it in just like this, straight on top, on the CrossRay barbecue, on the second layer, while everything else is cooking. We've been cooking on both levels on the CrossRay barbecue today, all our seafood. And it looks like we haven't done a bad job because it's time to start plating up a little bit. Here we go, we have a beautiful salmon, just like this. There we go. We have our calamari, we'll put that there. How are we going to decorate this? Who knows? But hey, let's give it a go. We've got to leave some room for our scallops. We've got to leave some room for our prawns. And we've got to leave some room for our Moreton Bay bugs as well. So there we are. We've got most of the stuff there. And we'll just put there. Again, I'm not keeping everything on the grill because I don't want to overcook it. So this won't take long now. The prawns are nearly ready. And come in and have a look at my sauce as it's thickening up. Just here. And that's the sauce we're going to use at the end for our beautiful prawns with toast. Toasted that up, some beautiful ciabatta bread, just like this. And there we go. We'll just have that there. And what we'll do with this is what I was talking about for our prawns. We're going to put them on here, just like this. Beautiful. And of course, our fresh ones on the other side for the alternative. And this becomes a beautiful meal as well, just like this. We've got our heads that have been cooking away, and we're just going to put them here as well. We know these are a beautiful mezze, beautiful, just like that. And here we go, beautiful. And they've been cooking away and creating a beautiful sauce that we're going to just put on top like this. We're going to hold that there. We're going to grab our spoon, just here, mix it up. Beautiful, beautiful. And there we have it. We're just going to put that on just like this on our beautiful bread. There we go. We've toasted on the CrossRay barbecue. Okay, prawn infused butter and garlic toast with some beautiful lemons and obviously the onion as well coming through, as you can see. Beautiful. There we have it. So that's all done. Ready to go. And that's our second platter. And now it's time to finish our beautiful signature dish, which is going to complement our beautiful side seafood dishes. There we go. Listen to those motorbikes out there in the streets. Oh, there we go. So beautiful. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. A beautiful lobster. Garlic, butter, parsley. There we go. See? Oh, we lost a prawn there. We'll put him over there. Beautiful. Look at that. And of course we have our bugs. It is getting quite warm, so I do need to just grab my little towel there. Oh, and we'll just plate up our beautiful Moreton Bay bugs just there. We've got our beautiful scallops just here as well. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Where are we going to put them on? Where are we going to put everything? And of course, our other lobster just here up the back with our crab. There's just not enough room. I love it. Opa! Beautiful. There's our crab. There's our 2 lobsters. And don't forget our little scallops. And we'll get our bugs in a minute. There we have it. There we have it. Just here. We'll put this one over here. This will be a little secret if someone finds it. Got a surprise for them. And of course, our 2 bugs just here as well. Look at our beautiful octopus there. And this bug can just go here. Now you're going to ask how we're going to dress this. Well, it's not hard using Jack the Greek style because it's quite simple and plain and easy. Put your prawns around where you want them, just like this. Move them around up the back. There we go. That's probably enough for this platter. We'll put them away. And dressing it. Keep it simple. Olive oil, lemon, and any herbs you like. We'll stay away from the buttered and garlic ones. But of course, we've got our calamari here. We've got our octopus over here. We've got our 2 bugs here that we didn't put any sauce on. There they are there. Beautiful. And our lobster at the back, as well as our crab just there. So there we have it. We'll start cleaning up a little bit as we talk about our beautiful CrossRay barbecue Christmas special. Put these away and there we go. So what we have cooked, 3 fantastic meals. A seafood banquet is what I would call it from Jack the Greek. We have our beautiful lobsters, crabs, octopus, salmon, calamari, prawns, call it what you like platter. We have our beautiful prawns and mango salad with our cooked prawns and barbecued prawns, toasted, infused with the beautiful cooked parsley heads with butter and garlic. And of course, complemented with a mythos. And for everyone from Jack the Greek, Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.